ship. Queen Victoria. It's huge.
Он continue. More wires? Alright.
Time for boarding. It's our first time to go on a cruise. It's a Cunard. Cunard? Queen Victoria. Here in Barcelona. I hope we had a good time and we will not be disappointed. Should be a lot of money for this cruise. Yay! Exciting! Exciting! It's huge, very big boat.
It's like once you get in, you can get back up.
Oh, yeah, that's good. Should get back out. Queen Victoria. You can go. Sorry. It's just so big. I just want to take a video. Dito daw sa ano. Huh? Oh well. The darkness.